Ever wondered how AI is getting better at understanding and interacting with us? Let's dive into groundbreaking research shaping the future of intelligent systems. Imagine an AI that doesn't just spit out answers, but thinks through problems step by step. That's the core of chain-of-thought prompting, a 2022 breakthrough where researchers taught large language models to break down complex tasks into logical steps. Think of it as giving an AI a roadmap for reasoning, solving a math problem, planning a trip, or even debugging code. This simple trick dramatically improved how models handle tricky questions, proving that structured thinking matters. But how do we even measure if these systems are any good? A 2024 survey analyzed hundreds of studies on large language model-based autonomous agents, AI assistants that act independently, from chatbots to smart home devices. The research revealed a critical challenge. No universal testing framework exists. Some focus on speed, others on accuracy, but we're still figuring out the best metrics. Without clear benchmarks, we risk building systems that are powerful but disconnected from real-world needs. Here's where things get really interesting. A 2018 study redefined how we evaluate voice-activated devices like Alexa or Siri. Traditional usability tests didn't capture the unique quirks of speech-based interactions. The team proposed new rules, like how well a device handles interruptions or misunderstandings, which could make our tech feel more human. Meanwhile, a 2025 survey highlighted the urgent need for standardized testing frameworks. As AI agents grow more complex, researchers are racing to create fair, comprehensive ways to assess their capabilities. It's like building a report card for AI, but the subjects are adaptability, ethical decision-making, and real-world problem-solving. Let's rewind to 2013, when scientists tackled a classic AI problem, making conversations with machines feel natural. Their work on POMDPs, partially observable Markov decision processes, laid the groundwork for systems that handle uncertainty, like understanding vague requests or adapting to background noise. So what's the takeaway? These studies aren't just academic exercises, they're building blocks for a future where AI works with us, not just for us. But here's the thing. Without a shared framework to align all these efforts, we risk creating systems that are brilliant but disconnected. That's where ADEPTS comes in. ADEPTS isn't just another acronym. It's a universal blueprint for AI development. Think of it as a common language for everyone involved, from researchers tweaking algorithms to policymakers shaping ethics. By creating clear guidelines for how AI interacts with humans, ADEPTS helps us track progress, identify gaps, and ensure systems evolve responsibly. Let's break it down. First, actuation. This is the AI's ability to do things on your behalf. Imagine asking your smart home to set the mood for a movie night. Good AI doesn't just dim the lights, it adjusts the temperature, plays your playlist, and maybe even orders popcorn. It's about handling tasks that require more than a simple command. But here's the catch, AI can't read your mind. That's where disambiguation steps in. If you say, find a restaurant, the AI shouldn't guess. It should ask, do you want something casual or upscale? Or use your past preferences to narrow it down. It's like having a helpful friend who clarifies your requests instead of making assumptions. Now, evaluation. Even the smartest AI can make mistakes. If it books a flight, it should double-check dates or compare prices. It's not just about doing the task, it's about knowing when it's done right. Think of it as the AI's internal quality control. Then there's personalization. The best AI adapts to you. If you're a morning person, it prioritizes early meetings. If you hate clutter, it streamlines tasks. It's not just convenience, it's about respecting your habits without constant input. But here's the big one, transparency. Imagine your AI recommends a product. Instead of just saying, I suggest this, it explains why, like, this is affordable and has great reviews. It's about making the AI's thinking visible so you feel in control, not like you're trusting a black box. And finally, safety. This is the AI's ultimate guardrail. If someone tries to trick it into sharing private info, it should say no. If it's controlling a robot, it ensures no one gets hurt. Safety isn't an afterthought, it's baked into the design, so the AI grows smarter without becoming riskier. So why does this matter? ADEPTS isn't just a checklist, it's a philosophy. It's about creating AI that's not just powerful, but people first. By focusing on these 6 pillars, we're not just building smarter systems, we're building systems that understand us, adapt to us, and protect us. The future of AI isn't about raw power. It's about purpose. And ADEPTS is the compass guiding us there.